With 107 videos in the Leadership Essentials library and more added every year, the only limitation to how you use this content for your on-site training is your imagination. Here are some of the most popular ways directors like to use EOT on-site. They love to show videos up on the big screen. Having everyone look at the same example is a wonderful way to generate discussion, a wonderful way to discuss the differences in how the generic description on expert online training differs from some of the specific things that you like to do at your summer program. It's also a wonderful prelude to some small group role plays. It's as if you're saying, here's the example, you've seen how it's done, now show me that you can do it. Another way that EOT is used as an in-service training tool is to create a course for everyone, give everyone access to it, called behavior management or something like that, where you import most of the video training modules that are part of the mental health and behavior category. And you don't have to give it a due date, but by giving everyone access, what happens is during the summer, when your staff encounter a young person with ADHD or a young person who's bullying or kids who are in a lot of conflict, they can access the videos that are part of that course on their own time or in the staff lounge. It's as if you had an expert on duty 24/7 while your camp is in session. That ability to consult and reference the material is an excellent way to extend staff learning. And remember, they can earn college CEUs through the University of Southern Maine for all of the content that they complete. So have them keep track of what they're doing, and they can print out a certificate and a syllabus at the end of the summer.